This is Huluganga Ella Waterfall, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Sri Lanka. And today I'm going to show you the beauty of this waterfall, how to get there, main attractions, local foods, and tips to make your journey easier. Let's go!
Like and subscribe.
Hidden in the misty hills of Kandy is one of the Sri Lanka's beautiful waterfall, Huluganga Ella. It flows down from the Knuckles mountain range, creating a peaceful and powerful scene. Today, I'm going to explore this amazing spot and take you along the journey to get here. There are two main travel directions to reach Huluganga Ella Falls, one from Kandy and other from Matale. If you are coming from Kandy, there are two main roads, one from Panwila and the other from Narampanawa. If you are coming from Panwila, you need to come to Wattegama first. You can take a bus from Kandy to Wattegama. From there, you can take a bus from Panwila to Gomare and get off near the waterfall. When you are coming from Narampanawa, there are a lot of nearby attractions. There is a bend along the mountain road where you will find a small shop that serves very tasty food. Since this waterfall is right on the road, anyone can easily get here. As you cross over the Huluganga River, you will find a few buildings lining the narrow road, including the branch of People's Bank. Near the bank, a steel staircase leads down to the waterfall. At the entrance, there is a small counter where the tickets are issued. Ticket prices are as follows. This waterfall gained fame a few years ago as it served as the primary filming location for the popular Sri Lankan teledrama Ullalanga Valavuwa. After walking down near the ticket counter, you will find a spot where you can enjoy a beautiful view of the waterfall. It's also a nice place to have any food you brought along. This waterfall is about 75 meters in height. Here you can see the lot of nearby attractions near to Huluganga Ella Falls.